Holden, talk to her.
Say dada.
Dada.
Say bubble.
Babu.
Say
Red Bull.
bubble. Say it again.
Babu.
How about elbow? Elbow? Elbow.
Apple.
He had to put down the phone in order to show you his elbow when he said it. Alright, have a good birthday.
Thank you, that was awesome. Thank you, Holden. Thank you, Stephanie.
Happy birthday.
Say bye-bye, Holden.